We're in Anguilla and we're baking some black cake. Black cake tonight. Yes. So as you can see, we have all the fruits here. So what we're going to do, we're going to blend them up, puree them down. So okay guys, so now we're just mixing up the eggs to go inside the cake, and you know we have to beat the eggs them one by one. So look, the flour there with all the ingredients inside it, and still mixing egg one by one to go inside of this black cake. Look, the fruits there and the butter and the sugar there creaming. So after that finish the cream, we're going to add the eggs that we just beat little by little inside of the butter and the flour that has been beaten to be creamy and nice, right? Good. So we're just taking our little time and adding it little by little, little by little. You cannot add it once a time. You just have to add it little by little. Sorry for my English. So now everything is cooperated inside it. So we just there watching it, pushing it down, and we're going to add the flour mixture also little by little inside of this black cake that we are baking. So we're adding some vanilla to it, you know, to give it some flavors. We're going to add some wine to it, Jamaica Red Label wine. Yes. And we're mixing it little by little. Here you see she adding the browning to it. So she also adding the browning little by little at a time to the cake to give it the color that she's looking for. You know, the black cake have a black, or sometimes it doesn't be black, but you know, once the flavor is there, it's good to go. So after she finished to beat it in the mixture, she's going to add it inside of this bowl right here. So what she have, and she going to incorporate everything together, meaning mix it up together. Yes. So now as you can see, she's going to add some grated orange peel inside of it, and that is for flavor also. You can use lemon, it's optional. And she just incorporating everything together just like that. You see, mixing the browning, the butter, the sugar, the vanilla, the orange peel inside it. And now she's going to add the fruits that she have been soaking for months now in wine, and you know, everything rum, and she blended up, and now she's going to incorporate everything inside of the butter right here. Can see that? Yes. Add some Jamaica Real Never rum inside it too, because you know we're making black fruit cake. So black fruit cake have to have some liquors inside it, some rum. Yes, and she just incorporating everything together. There she adding a little bit of sorrel juice to it. Is optional. You can put sorrel juice or you don't have to put it. It's optional, guy. But you know, nowadays everybody a bake cake, and when they baking cake, they add in sorrel inside their fruit cake, or you making sorrel cake. But in this one, she just add a little bit in hers, and she just add in the flour little by little. And if you notice, she not using the mixer to mix the flour in it. She using it with her hand. You know, the old-fashioned thing where your grandmother does teach you, mixing the flour, you know, fold it in. We call it in Jamaica, we'll say mix it in, but you know, when you go to a different country, they say you have to fold it in. So what she doing right here, she folding in the flour little by little inside of the cake. They can see, fold it in, fold it in. and she's just going to continue the process of folding in the flour inside of the butter, as you can see that. And look, voila. So you see now, look how beautiful that is, guys. Look at that. It's finished and it's ready to go inside. But before you put it in the pan, you have to make sure you keep on folding it till it doesn't see no form of flour popping out, because sometimes you see flour coming out in the cake, and that is not good. You know, you slice a piece of cake and you see flour inside it. No. And then now what she doing, she is pouring it in the pan to put it inside the oven to bake at 350 degrees. Yes, and look at that. You see that? Look how beautiful that is. And voila, it's the next day and the cake is finished. And you know, Shakima, I have to taste it before she come on camera to give her reviews, and it was very good. It was bad. My one have a little bit more rum inside it, but you know, it's okay. It's okay, but it's very good. So here you go, Jamaican black cake. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe, to tell a friend, to hit that notification bell for all us newest video, to comment below what else you want to see us do, and have yourself a merry Christmas. See you in the next video. I'm out, guys.